everyone, welcome back to my channel. This weekend I took a trip to Austin, Texas, the quirky, artsy, and full of vibes capital of the Lone Star State. From stunning views and historic buildings to trendy streets and peaceful lakes, Austin had it all. So let's dive into what a weekend in Austin looks like. Our first stop was the Texas State Capitol. And wow, this building is massive. It's actually taller than the US Capitol in DC. And it's built from this beautiful pink granite that really shines under the sun. You can walk around the grounds for free, and I totally recommend going inside. Today we're exploring one of the most important landmarks here in Austin, the Texas Capitol. It was created in 1888, and it is in fact the tallest Capitol building in all the United States. It has 308 feet tall, and even if you put the Statue of Liberty here on the inside, you will still have room on the top. Just imagine how huge this building is. So come with me to explore this amazing place. The rotunda is stunning, with portraits of past governors and this incredible dome that makes you feel really tiny. All of the paintings here are the previous governors of Texas, so whenever a new governor is added, they just move one floor up, all of the paintings, and one to the right. Here in the center you have all of the countries that once tried to invade or had a battle with Texas. Here's Spain, these are the United States where the comfort battles, this is Mexico, and this part right here is France. And if you look up, you'll have the actual capital. And it also even says Texas on the side. If you want to learn more, they offer free guided tours every 30 to 45 minutes. And I truly recommend you joining one. It's a great way to explore the inside of the building and learn more about Texas politics. On the tour, you get to visit both the House of Representatives and the Senate chambers. We are here in the Senate, where actually senators have just turned and can't leave the House until they finish the debate. And here's a fun fact. In the Senate, members can speak as long as they want, yes, hours if they first like it. But in the House, they are limited to just 10 minutes per speech. It's a little chaotic, but very Texas. It was just very fun to stroll around. After you access the Capitol, feel free to explore the parks and grounds that are all around it. They are full of history. One of the most important sculptures here in the parks is the Tejano Monument. It honors the contributions of Spanish and Mexican settlers. It shows how diverse the state has been over the years, and it was built in 2012. Next, we headed to Lady Bird Lake. This beautiful reservoir in the heart of the city. It's perfect for walking, biking, kayaking, or just chilling. The views of the Austin skyline are incredible from here, especially at sunset. And if you love nature but don't want to leave the city, this is the perfect spot. In the heart of Austin is the Anne and Roy Butler Hike and Bike Trail at Lady Bird Lake. The 10-mile trail was named after a former Austin mayor and his wife. It's a favorite among locals and visitors alike. It serves as a green urban getaway as well as a commuter path that connects Austin urban core. And just walking over the lake was a perfect way to enjoy the lake. If you're here in Austin, don't forget to visit South Congress Avenue. It is a street full of eclectic shops, live music, super delicious restaurants, and just a perfect spot for you to stroll around and grab some food. And of course, no trip to Austin is complete without visiting South Congress, or SoCo as locals calls it. It's a street full of live, local shops, food trucks, live music, and tons of murals that are perfect for your Instagram. We tried some amazing tacos, grabbed coffee at Jaws, yes, the place with the iconic I love you so much wall, and enjoy the vibe. Everything feels so unique here. You'll definitely leave with a few souvenirs and maybe even a new playlist if you catch some local bands. And also, we entered this super cool tax and boots plate. It was so cool to try them on. I just had never had before. If you're looking for a great view of Austin from above, we finished the weekend with a trip to Mount Bonnell. It is one of the highest points of the city, and after a short staircase climb, you're rewarded with sweeping views of the Colorado River and the hills around it. For one of the best views in all Austin, be sure to climb to the highest point here in Mount Bonnell. We are 775 feet above the city. It's the highest point of all the city, and you can see right behind me the Lake Austin, or the Rio Colorado, the Colorado River. It's a super peaceful place to just enjoy the city and enjoy the landscape and have super panoramic views. It is especially beautiful as sunset, super romantic and peaceful, and definitely a spot to catch your breath. Take it all in and reflect on everything that Austin has to offer. Right when you enter, you'll encounter a part where you will see directly into the river. But if you want to see the city, just turn left and you have the city right behind you. And that's a wrap on my weekend in Austin. Whether you're into history, nature, good food, or just good vibes, this city delivers. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite Austin spot or if you're planning a trip soon. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more captivating journeys like this one. Until next time, happy exploring!